You can go out of your own way to try and find what happened. Okay, but I can't really tell you what's going on, so... Yo! What? Are you kidding me, dude? Are you kidding me? Bro. We just got this is the first stream back, dude. This is the first stream back, and this is the first stream back, and we're already going crazy. 5 tier 1 community fucking subs, dude. Oh, wait, Mr. Man, I really do appreciate that, man. Thank you, man. How's it?
Stand there, man. Tell me where you go.
Hold up.
Where you go.
Hold up.
I don't even know what to say right now.
Hold up.
Bro, I'm speechless, man. What the fuck? 20 subs? Dude. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man.
Stand there, man. Tell me where you go.
Hold up.
Hold on.
Hold up.
Yo. Wait a minute. What is this? Okay. What the fuck are you doing, Fire Dragon? Fire Dragon, what the fuck are you doing? Another one? Yo, Fire Dragon, thank you so much, dude. I really do appreciate that, mate. Coming back after being banned, and this happens, yo. How many is that? In one like setting? 5 from Mr. Man. 20. 2 fucking 0. 20 stacks, mate. 20 fucking ice cream containers, dude. 20 of these. Bro. This shit's not ending, mate. This shit's not ending. It's just constantly fucking going off. It's just going off. It's just doing what it wants at this point, mate. And another one. Oh my god, dude. I'm done, dude. I'm done. What? I'm done. Yo, give Fire Dragon ownership. At this point, I might. Yo, after this stream, I'm gonna give Fire Dragon ownership for like the day. Okay. All right, just for the day. All right. I can't have things going too crazy, but hey, I will. I'll give Fire Dragon ownership. Okay. In one fucking week, dude, we have gone up, back, right, to where we were at, right. Delete the server on per request of Fire Dragon. Yo, Fire Dragon came through. Okay, I'm gonna count these up. Okay, so we got 20. Okay, 20. We had another one. Okay, to Scrub. We had another one to Fee, one to Yi, and one to GMT. All right, that's crazy, man. Oh my god, so that's 24 plus the 24 plus the 5 from Mr. Man. That's 29. Y'all are fucking insane. Fire Dragon, honestly, I appreciate that, man. You're fucking insane, dude. In one week we lost 30 people, right? So 30 subs, right? Because we went down from 101 to 71. In 1 week, we're now back up. That's fucking insane. Thank you, Fire Dragon. That's fucking crazy. It's this stuff, right, that happens that just makes me like really grateful. You know what I mean? 1 week of nothing. I come back, and this is the love, right? I'm shown, and I really do appreciate that, mate. And that to me is that's just insane. It's crazy. So yeah, I do appreciate that.